Hello traders, in this video you are going to learn about the Wondertrend strategy that is super easy and has a very good high success rate. And we will make this setup ready today, and I will show you that why it has a lot of importance into the trading market, and this has become very eye-catching for the traders, right? So I am going to delete the indicators from my chart so that we can attach the fresh chart. So the first indicator that we will be using is the Wondertrend indicator by Winstop Trader, and you can see only 276 traders are using it. It means that most of the traders have no idea about this indicator, right? The second indicator that we will be using in this video is the ATR Smoothed by Disrupt by Sell Version by Give Growth. Okay, and you can see 6076, a good number of traders are using this trading strategy, right? Okay, so I want to fix the things a little bit on the ATR. So what I'm going to do, I'm going into the ATR settings and I'm going to the style option and I'm going to uncheck the ATR line. I just want only buy and sell signals from this indicator. Okay, the third indicator that we will be using in this strategy is MACD4C, right? Okay, the third one, I have attached it on my chart, and now the setup is 100% ready to trade. So as you can see, the signals are very good and they have a very good high success rate. So we are going to talk about our entry rules. So we will take the long position only when we have a buy signal and the Wondertrend line should be green, as you can see on the screen, and the MACD should be in a green color. So for example, here we have received a buy signal. What we will do, we will set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and let's just how much we were able to do, and we were able to catch 2.56 ratio from that trade very easily. Similarly, if you look at the sell position that is advised by the ATR indicator, and you can see MACD was red as well, and you can see that Wonderline was also red, and you can see a very good downward trend into the market. And right now, if we talk about the gold picture here, so if I take the long position option here, so here we have the buy signal, everything was perfect, set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and you can see till now we have targeted something like 2.46 ratio easily. So guys, this is the 5-minute strategy, and this is not only for forex. You can also trade crypto and the other things that are supported on TradingView. You can easily go for it. Look at gold, that how it is performing on gold. Sell signal and a massive downfall, and you have to meet all conditions and you will wait for the next signal to come. Okay, let's have a look on USD CHF. Okay, at USD CHF you can see a very valid buy signal went successful and the sell also went successful, right? Let's have a look on USD JPY. USD JPY, the buy signal went successful. Okay, I want to check that how it is working. It works on the slow market conditions. So for example, on AUD JPY the market is a bit slow on the 5-minute, but overall the performance is very good. Let's have a look on Great Britain Pound USD sell position very well. Okay, so let's choose some slow pairs like Great Britain Pound CAD, Great Britain Pound CHF, like this, so that we can see. Okay, now on the slow pairs even you can see sell wonderfully well, and buy signal went very wonderful. Let's have another slow pair, AUD CHF. Guys, look, only sell signal it has given you, and you can see the market is already down, and you will trade it from signal to signal because you will take the full ride. So try your best to take the full ride because this indicator is working very well even on the slow pairs as well. So guys, overall I mostly concentrate on gold. So the performance is very best, and USD CHF and Euro USD, that's what I personally like. So you can also do profitable trading using this combination, and this combination is getting very good high success among the traders. So you are quite lucky because you come to FX Mentor US and you have this strategy right now. So please make sure that you should consider my work and you should subscribe FX Mentor, because a lot of new strategies are coming on my YouTube channel. And guys, be ready for the next video, right? So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.